how to restore the 100x zoom shortcut in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. So now in camera settings, scroll down and now here showing you camera assistant. So after click on camera assistant, so now here showing you zooming shortcut. So you will select 100x. So after select 100x, go back and you will see. So hold phone and you will see 100x is here. So if you want to restore 100x, you will see 100x is restored. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore the 100x zoom shortcut in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.